Sir 178-2023 he has retired on the 31st of July 2023 as per the direction of this honorable court. We have paid Provident Fund amounting to 88,349 rupees gratuity 75,350 rupees.
How much have you given?
PF has been given 588,349. 588, 349.
Yes.
Gratuity has been given 753,503. Yes.
And leave encashment 225,533.
225.
533. What is left? I mean, what is he asking for seniority promotion? His case is pending, that means.
That due is stayed. The due has not been completed yet. The due is stayed by this honorable court. Because of this, the matter regarding seniority promotion cannot be decided until the due is in progress. It cannot be decided. So,
since when is that stay in place?
It is stayed since 2022. Is the stay there prayer.
My lord. Honorable court, they argued with me in that. My suspension was stayed by a single bench and I joined the job. Honorable court, a single bench has stayed their stay. They said there is no justification to issue Showcase 20 after a long duration of 20 years and the matter has already been decided. And that thing on which they are asking, I've already replied to the AGM in 2002. It is a matter of personal transaction. Is any other petition pending in D? Yes, there are two petitions, sir. One is mine and one is for those who have got increment equal by 2002 and pension should be given in this, my lord. And have you challenged the departmental inquiry? Yes, there is a department show cost notice, sir. There is a stay on that show. Has any
stay been given, my lord? There is a stay on your prayer. Yes, there is a stay on your
own prayer. Tell me, there is a
stay on your own prayer, right? Yes, there is a stay on my prayer.
Get it done and take it forward. I have applied for pension, sir. I retired on the 31st of July, so pension should be given in August. They did not give pension. How will I run the family in the second month? Entry pension of officer cadre should be given. It was provided in 2009. Did
you hear it? Yes, my law. What is written? Provident Fund, gratuity and leave already provided to the petitioner. However, considering the pending departmental inquiry, other dues will not be cleared. Directed to 5 detailed reply within that case filed by reply. Keep it with it. He was told to reply and it was written. My lord, that pension should be given within 15 days. Pension is not to be given.
Let the reply come for there.
Next date. When did I get it done?
When did you give the date? After
4 weeks. Sir, fixed date? No.
Fixed date? It is not possible. Reply should come now. Please mention it. Then if you
keep it with the next, i.e. 4,872, then why that?
Because that D matter, give pension also from that. Then file 2 cases already. Thank you.